I'd like to thank everybody in the Epson family for coming and spending 2 days with us here in Santa Monica, California. It was a wonderful day. It was filled with passion and energy as we talked about how Epson is going to change the office space.
We've seen a lot of technology, a lot of solutions. We've been entertained by some great presentations by the folks here as well. The things that we've learned a lot about is the disruption that Epson plans to make in this industry.
They're doing a very good job of educating us on some of the benefits of the products and differentiating them from some of their competitors. They've got a lot of complementary technologies that fit into some of these verticals very well, and Epson's really packaged them nicely, and the way they presented it was really useful for someone to be able to see this is how we handle manufacturing, this is what we bring to the table in education, this is what we can do for you in healthcare.
Well, I like the warehouse product that they have with the rolling cart where it has a printer and the label maker on it. I thought that was unique, something we could sell to everybody that has warehousing.
I think the thing that stood out to me the most was the care and the passion that the team has. The passion to win as a sales guy, that's so great to me, and the passion they have for their channel partners.
To see the product line and to see how we can make that fit for our customer base, the projectors were great. Not only from an education standpoint, but we do a lot with signs and graphics. Well, that can fit perfectly in with the marketing piece of what we're selling.
You didn't know a lot about Epson. They're clearly firmly committed to the industry. You know, they've hired some great executives. They have a long-term view. You can tell they're here to stay, and they have a disruptive product that I think will be good for the channel.
This was a wonderful event. We have over 200 dealers. Almost all of them were here with us, from the largest markets to the smallest markets, from North America to South America, from the east to the west. Just the blending, the energy, and the interaction between all the customers and Epson was just wonderful to watch.